Alright, we're on to another great project here. Replacing 2 furnaces and 2 hot water heaters with tankless units. So one of the furnaces went down. The guy called a 24-hour repair place, and upon investigation, the old furnace, they found the chimney flue was actually cracked on the inside, so it was leaking slightly. So, you know, the furnaces were I think they were 9 years old. And so the furnaces, he was going to replace both of them anyways. He would have had to line the chimney, so he decided to go high efficiency, ducted out the side of the wall, so we eliminate the chimney completely. So he's going to end up slowly tearing it down. So yeah, there used to be there used to be a hot water tank here and hot water tank here. So those are gone. This furnace is right where it was. This furnace is moved. Let's try to get back here a little bit. So this furnace was right here. You can see the sort of unpainted part. So it used to go into the cold air here. So we moved it down because eventually he wants to build a wall along this beam and sort of separate these 2 sides for the tenants, give them a lockable storage area. So we scooted this over to give us some more room. Here you can see my gas pipe setup. I just finished all the gas lines today. We removed them back all the way to the meter outside. I got so much crap pushed back here now. But these are the 2 lines. So they're all redone. Everything is redone for the gas all the way to the meters. And here are the 2 tankless. You know, identical. So yeah. Electric's all in, gas is in. Gonna be hooking up the water lines tomorrow. So that one's there. This one's the exact same. You see the duct going out. See, sort of behind those wires. So yeah, this one's exactly the same as the other one. And yeah, we'll hook up the water tomorrow. I'll get that in. So yeah, I've been busting ass on this, really. Got the gas lines, you know, all the way to each of the units. Oh, knocked over my bottles. There's the other one there. You know, reconnecting them to the dryers. The dryers are electric right now, but he likes the option of having both in case tenants, you know, have either or. So yeah, I tied back in there. And I got 2 runs here that go to each stove in the kitchen. So those are both tied back in. So that's actually a lot of pipe. Here's the main line on this side. You know, got it nice and clean. T's going down. So yeah, a little bit of duct work to do though. But yeah, water lines tomorrow, and then get started on the duct. So yeah, this is a good 4-day project here. All right, till the next one.